welcome back to my channel. So today is my last day in Nagoya. Since I took the evening flight, then I still have time to explore.
Today is Monday and it's public holiday, and this is me. Now I keep hunting where is have the coin locker to put my bag. The coin locker is really full and it's so crazy. All this wall full.
After 30 minutes walks,
Finally I found that I just put my bag. The thing is, if the big luggage, then it's very big problem because it's very less and very hard to find the coin locker with big size. So luckily my bag is just nice for the standard coin locker. So now I need to find where to get the train to the train museum. We got it! This is the Aonami line, so it's very different from JR line or Meitetsu line. Just follow this sign. Very near to Taikodori side, the Aonami line. Beside is the JR. Kinjo Futo 360. I got my breakfast. Let's go!
it will take 24 minutes from Nagoya station to Kinjo Futo station with the only Aonami line. Let's stop by at Legoland.
Luckily, we have all this skywalk to there because it's hot. And that one is Legoland. Now I got a feeling that I'm like a kid. So many kids and I feel so happy.
We keep seeing their eyeballs glued to us on the sidewalk.
I have this kind of toys when I am still a kid. I have once. Hey, I kid before, okay?
I just take picture at the entrance and it's so wow. Feel like a kid.
Minute turning face to critics. Let's put flowers in our hair like we don't care. And dance a village clown.
Not as crowded as the Legoland. Here is more peaceful because Legoland is like a Universal Studio, but this one is for Legoland version. And this is museum. You will see a lot of train from JR. Okay, I got my ticket. Let's enter. Whoop. That's all. No human at all stand in front of the gate. Because when I see this, it reminds me with Hogwarts. Shinkansen. The speed is 443.0 km per hour, 300x. Okay, we can go inside. So we're very fast because below here is the magnet. So it's just shoot.
In this museum, we can see many types of the train. There are 39 retired train cars.
For the new one to the old one, this car actually used for steep line, like to the mountain line.
From the steam locomotives to the newest designs of the magnetically levitated bullet train. There are only 3 countries in the world that currently have operational maglev train, like China, Japan, and South Korea.
So Halloween style and really Halloween. Happy Halloween! The first Shinkansen ever, and the fast is 220 km per hour. Wow, inside this car, I can smell the wood. Really make wood. They have the Shinkansen outside here. Then you can go inside and you can eat inside. You bring your food and sit there and eat inside. It's really have the feeling of the train. Okay, interesting.
This place is so educational with the details and also give entertainment like the orchestra. Okay, now it's time to go to the airport for my next journey.
Hi, so I'm gonna back by Nagoya. Now I take the first class to the airport. So the car seems like only me here because it's a bit expensive than the normal one. The normal one is 980 and then this first class is 1430 and it's faster than the normal one. So the journey will take around
28 minutes.
The normal one will take around 1 hour because it keeps stopping for each station. So great. One of the experience here. Yeah. Then we finally arrive to the airport. But the thing is, my terminal is terminal 2, so I need to walk because this train station is at the terminal 1. The walking distance should be around 10 minutes. Okay, I feel so cool. Gambatte. We just walk gracefully. Gracefully? No. I walk fast. Finally, after walk, then arrive. So funny is at this flight, there is no online check-in, so I can drop my luggage. Drop luggage. So I don't have luggage anyway.
It's a great experience in Nagoya. I love it. Thanks for watching my video until now. Hope to see you again in a big, big world. Get lost with MichiGo. It's a long